Hi, I'm Nick Blasky, and I'm the Assistive Tech Communication Coach for Spring ISD, and I am going to talk to you about this tool, the BigMack. So the BigMack is a single message voice output device, so it can record one single message. And we have some older ones, which is this one, and then we have some newer ones in the district. So depending on which one you got, there's a different way to record each, but I'm going to show you how to do both. So on the older one, first you want to look at your battery compartment back here. Make sure you have a 9-volt battery. Just replace that door. And so here is my volume switch. So now it's on. All right, I've turned it on. This is all the way off. And you hear that click, and so that means it's on. On the older ones, you're going to hold down this button here, and you'll see that I also hold down the switch top, and that's when I'm going to start recording. You should see a light come on here. Test, test, test. Then I let go of both. And now I'm playing my message. And so if I want to erase that message or make a new one, I'm just going to record over it, right? But it'll stay there as long as I want to. With the newer ones, you're going to turn it on, and you're going to hold down that same button until the light comes on. It stays on. That means it's on record mode. So now I just hold down the switch top. Test, 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 and then I press that button again.
Test, test, test.
All right, and so you can see this one is much newer, has better sound. You can record up to 2 minutes of something. The best way to use these is socially, so you can use it to say hi. Another way is through scanning. So whenever you're presenting options to your child or to a student, you can present them their 2 options, and you can say, do you want this one or this one? And what I am going to record, that one please.
That one, please.
So there's my message. And so whenever the person is holding up the thing that I want or pointing to the picture that I need to choose, it doesn't have to be something I want. It can also be for curriculum. So if you're asking a question and you have your answer choices laid out, you would first point to the first one and say, okay, here are the choices that you have. Choice number 1, choice number 2, choice number 3, etc. Now I'm going to go back through and I'm going to point at each one and give my child enough time to activate the switch to make a decision, right? So point to option number 1. I'm going to wait about 5 seconds. Option number 2, 5 seconds. Option number 3. And so whenever they activate that and say that one, that's them making a choice. So that's how you turn these on, turn these off, record a message, and a way that you can use them.